It's a travel day.
Travel day.
Let's get out of New York. Just a few days.
Okay.
All right, here we go. We're here in Vermont, but we're not very far into Vermont. I don't know if you can see the mountains over there. That is the Adirondack Mountains in New York. So we didn't go very far into Vermont, but it is maximum mugginess. I don't know if I have any more sweat to give. We got into a sticky situation coming into this park. So let's take a look at what happened. This corner right here was the biggest problem. You can see the shed here, and the guy that came over and helped us get in, he's like, you should have turned wider. I'm like, well, there's a shed right there. I don't know how much of this space I used right here, but I don't know. I wish that I could go back and take a look at that and see just how far over I went right here. I thought I went over as far as I could. If you ever wonder how important things like those 360 cameras are that you can have on the trucks where it sees all the way around it, that would have been excruciatingly useful, because then I could have had that camera system on and I could have watched like right out my front bumper, the front grille, to see how close I was to things like the shed or the tree. I probably could have taken it further, but didn't because I couldn't see the front. And then it would have been nice then if I would have had an experienced spotter that could have come up to the front and then watched that. We might have been able to get through this corner a little bit better. Yeah. There was a gentleman that came over and helped me get around the corner and into the site that works here. I told him, I said, if they want me to replace that post, I'll be more than happy to. Thankfully, not too much of the flowers got damaged. And we bent the post. The RV didn't bend the post. We started to scratch the decal on the side of the RV. And at that point, we're like, okay, stop. And then we bent the post out of the way so that sign wasn't touching the RV anymore. And the second thing we had to do was that log down there. We had to move that. We rolled that log away because my front hubcap was right up against that log. And I needed just a few more inches to play right there. Yeah, I think if they would have pushed the speed limit sign back, maybe move that shed out of the way, put a little bit more gravel here, would give more room to play in turning this corner. I think that would work a lot better. But this is, all in all, this is more of an old school campground. It's not really meant for big rigs like us. Hello.
Mom wants you to go over there to sit next to her to talk about food.
Mom's not inside the RV?
Nope.
That's funny, I didn't even know that.
She wanted to know where you were.
I've been setting up the internet and chilling. Thought she was in the RV. All right, time to figure out what we're gonna do about food. A lot of beautiful flowers around here. So we are here to visit with some people that we met last winter. So that's why we're at this specific campground. So time to go make some food decisions.
You guys going back there this year?
I opened the door with my food.
we're unsure if we should be walking through this campsite. Doesn't appear to be anybody there. I'm gonna go check out the bathhouse, because that's what I do. I know. I know I don't usually share the shower rooms with y'all till like the official review of this campground. I was just wanting to check and see if there was a usable shower room for tonight, because I'm gonna need about 17 showers. I'm sticky. So we're struggling a little bit with the fact that the girls want to spend all their time with their friends. They don't want to break away to go do anything like the things that we need to do, like eat. Right now we're starving. Kaylin says we need bread so we can make sandwiches. So figured while we're out, might as well eat out and get some groceries, check out the area. We love to check out local grocery stores. So, but just having to tell the girls, you know, look, I need you to step away from your friends for a little while so we can go do what we need to do. So finally though, she was like, okay, we'll go, I'll go. All right. She's got 3 solid days to play with her friend here, so hopefully there'll be plenty of time. It was fun catching up with people that we were hanging out with last winter in Canyon Lake, Texas, and it's cool that we will get to see them again. In fact, there's another family here. They've already convinced that they need to come down and spend time with all of us at the same place. So that's awesome. All right, we're gonna go check out Middlebury, Vermont. Sounds fun. So we are in Middlebury, checking out this restaurant called Fire and Ice. It's our friends told us it's a really cool restaurant, a lot of neat things to check out, including all you can drink free chocolate milk. So let's go check this out.
Any door.
Yes, please. Thank you. Is that a
Pizza, I call it pizza. I call all pizza.
I don't know what they have. Something about a shrimp ship. Show us how to get some free chocolate milk, Kira.
See down there?
Yep, get a cup.
These are glass cups, so be careful.
Yep, I think you lift that handle up.
You lift it.
There you go.
And then you get some tea.
Don't get it too full, because remember, you can come back and get more.
And that's how you...
Pretty cool. And it's kind of cool. I don't know how the TV turns on, but there's a bunch of books there. This restaurant is so cool and unique. There's little seats like in every little nook and cranny. It's a very unique and interesting restaurant. I'm glad we came to check this out. Thanks to Alex and Kate for recommending this to us. Right through there. Look, they have bread.
Can we go that way or that way?
Yeah, let's go this way. We're out experiencing new things. The girls both tried their first anchovies.
That's
What'd you think?
saltfish.
Saltfish? Did you like it?
Sorta.
And Kaylin, you wanted a second one, right? You liked it? Oh, that second round is getting you, isn't it?
Salty,
Yeah, it's super salty.
but it's not terrible.
Hey, I just want to thank y'all for trying it, okay? I appreciate y'all trying out anchovies for the first time.
It came with my Caesar salad.
Did it give us anything?
I will buy your supper tonight.
I feel like you were already gonna do that.
They put salsa on the side, on the nachos, but on the side.
Looks amazing. This is a chicken boursin.
Blue and Kaylin? You should.
The bruschetta is like a cream cheese like sauce that's on the inside of the chicken. It's delicious.
I was there for more than a year.
Okay.
So total, I was here in Vermont for 5 years. 3 years ago.
What y'all think of the food here?
Give me all the fettuccine.
And what did you say about the chocolate milk? What did it taste like?
Melted
Ice cream. I get to tell them. Because I was the only one to. I get it.
I'm so tired.
Get it.
So the food here is pretty delicious. The atmosphere is quite amazing. I really like it. I would highly recommend if you're in this part of Vermont that you come check it out. They have Cabot cheese like on all their stuff. They have Cabot butter with the bread rolls that they give to you. Tanya, what do you think of the fettuccine?
It was delicious.
See my eyes. People, see my eyes.
Pie is a mud pie, so it's chocolate ice cream with a little thin layer of fudge, and I don't actually have these.
We're having a little too much fun right now.
My fettuccine was delicious with the scallops.
It was good. Massive thunderstorm came through while we were out. Clouds look so... Mountains and clouds look so dramatic. And our Starlink isn't working when we came back either. I gotta go investigate.